Hey there, fellow nurses. Are you ready to embark on an epic journey to conquer the world of nursing? Well, hold on to your stethoscopes because today, we're diving into the magical world of CGFNS. CGFNS stands for the Commission on Graduates of Foreign Nursing Schools. It's like the golden ticket for international nurses who dream of working their magic in the United States. But fear not, my fellow adventurers. I'm here to guide you through this labyrinth of paperwork and bureaucracy with a sprinkle of humor along the way. Step 1. Document discovery and research. Arr, mateys. First things first, gather your treasure trove of documents, high school diploma, nursing school transcripts, licenses, NCLEX results, and proof of English proficiency. X marks the spot. Savvy? Then, put on your detective hat and Sherlock Holmes this thing. Hit up CGFNS's website like you're on a mission to uncover the lost city of Atlantis. Step 2. Application submission. Avast ye. It's time to hoist the anchor and submit your application to CGFNS headquarters. Make sure you've got your doubloons ready for the application fee. You'll need to pay the CGFNS fee when you submit your application. Think of it like paying the toll to cross the bridge into nursing wonderland. Step 3. Await the tide. Now all you can do is batten down the hatches and wait for CGFNS to review your application. The winds of fate will determine your destiny. Step 4. Unveil the treasure. Mateys, if all goes well, you'll receive your CGFNSE certificate in the mail. Shiver me timbers, you're one step closer to nursing in the USA. And there you have it, shipmates. With your documents in hand and a hearty spirit, you can conquer the CGFNS seas and chart a course to nursing success. If you enjoyed this journey and want more nursing adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Join our crew and stay updated on all our upcoming quests.